Hello friends, welcome to another Resolve tutorial video. In this video, I will introduce you to the HashMyFiles program, a free tool that allows you to calculate the MD5 and SHA1 hashes of one or more files on your system. HashMyFiles is free software that you can freely use at home or in your company. This software works on computers running Windows. It is one of the best applications you can use on your computer. The HashMyFiles program does not require any installation process or additional DLL files. To get started, all you need to do is run the HashMyFiles.exe file. It is a small utility program that allows you to learn the hash value of any image, audio file, office file, or video file on your computer. It is very easy to use. Let's get started right away. Go to the Google search engine and search for nirsoft HashMyFiles. Go to nirsoft.net from the search results and download the free HashMyFiles program from the website. You can find the links related to the addresses mentioned in this video in the video link on YouTube. The first thing you need to do is download the correct version. I am using a Windows 64-bit computer, so I will click on the Windows 64-bit version. It is important to download the version that is suitable for your operating system if you are using a different one. HashMyFiles also supports other languages. After downloading the program, extract it from the zip file and open it by double-clicking. That's it. On the screen that appears, you can easily view the MD5 and SHA1 hash values of the file you choose on your computer. I am leaving the link for you to download the program for free in the description section of our video. If this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to like it. Subscribe to my Resolve channel for more informative and tutorial videos. Thank you very much for watching.